From Jamaica, won the 2024 World Championships of Performing Arts, Wacopa. All right, with saxophonist Andrene Brown. Now, she was crowned the Senior Grand Champion Performer, the best act at the championships, and we celebrate this win with her. Welcome to We Can Smile, the world champ.
Thank you for having me.
How are you?
I am good, thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
How does it feel?
It feels good, you know, feel like a celebrity. From the very first moment I stepped on that stage, like before I made it to semifinals, I was like, I had that feeling, that celebrity feeling, because the very first time I went on the stage, they were like, oh my gosh, you're so good. And they came and they said, like they want autograph and the whole works, you know. Right. So it was really good though. And
this competition was held in California, June
right.
28 to July 7.
Right.
So while Beryl was out here blowing us away, you were blowing them away.
Yes.
In Cali. How did you know about the competition? How did you enter? How did you get in?
All right. The national director, Mr. Antonio Dennis, he had reached out to me on Instagram, because what happened is that I normally do some covers and I post it on my IG channel and my YouTube until I started doing TikTok. I still don't know how to use it, but I'm trying.
You'll get there.
You know. And he had reached out to me on Instagram, and that's how I actually been a part of it. He reached out to me like a year before though, because I'd wanted to enter from last year, but because of work, that couldn't work out. So. Right. I had to wait.
To maneuver and get it done this year. And
right.
Well worth it, because you went all the way and brought home the gold.
Right.
Right. Now, you've been a
brought home the championship.
Well, yes, indeed, yeah, absolutely. You've been a saxophonist for, 10 years, but you're really a clarinetist. That's your principal instrument.
Yeah.
Tell us why, the saxophone and not the clarinet in terms of just pushing yourself forward.
Because the saxophone is really the marketing instrument, you know. Everybody knows the saxophone. Normally, if I said that, I play the clarinet, they would be like, what's that? Yeah. Or, so. Everybody knows the sax. But then I always be like, have you ever watched SpongeBob? You know, the instrument that Squidward plays? Right.
Right. Yeah, but that's really good. What do you enjoy most about, the saxophone and, how your journey has been in music with it?
Well, I find peace in playing.
Yeah.
Yeah. And whenever I'm down, I just take my instrument up. Good. And I always feel better. Even if I'm hungry, I play when I'm hungry.
Yeah.
Like, I can tell you that there are a lot of times that I'm practicing and I haven't had anything, and by working and working and working and playing and playing and playing, and I just don't stop. Don't stop.
Right. We saw a clip just now of you on stage playing Prince's Purple Rain. Why did you choose that song as your piece for performance?
Purple is my favorite color. I should say. It's only a pity I'm not wearing purple today.
Right.
But I still have a lot of purple on me.
There you go.
Right? So purple is my favorite color. So that was one of the reasons. I was even thinking about this song called Color Me Purple.
Yes.
Yeah.
But you went with Prince instead.
But I went with Prince
How did the crowd respond? The audience?
Wow. It was off the chain. Yeah. It was amazing. Like, oh boy, all I could say is, thank you, Jesus. Yeah. Thank you, Jesus. Yeah. Because I have to give him all the praise. It doesn't matter what, I have to give him all the praise and glorify him, because if it wasn't for him, oh gosh.
And your journey in music started in church, in the church?
Right, in church. So, yes, I used to sing. I don't call myself a singer. I'll do little backing vocals. No, but I'm not a singer.
Yeah.
So Yeah, I started from I was about 3 years old. I used to sing in church. I used to go to Portland because I was born in Portland, but grew in Montego Bay and now lives in Kingston.
Right.
So, travel the world.
That's right. And you travel the island too because you're born one place, go to second city, come the capital.
Right.
That's really good stuff. Now that you've won, right, because you've gone all the way to the pinnacle, what's next for you?
All right, I've got some very good connections. And I'm looking to keep these connections, because these connections worth millions. So hopefully, sooner than later, I'll be doing a single, and I'll still do my covers, still post them on my YouTube channel, still post them on my IG, still post them on TikTok. Try to know how to use up the social media because I'm not good at it at all, but I'll still do my stuff and go out there and play just the same. So I do weddings, any corporate events, dinners, whatever it is, birthday party. If you feel like you want to propose to your lady, then I'm here for that. And if you just need me alone just to come and play for you, I'm here for that.
Absolutely, we look forward to that. Oh, by the way, I didn't ask you what category did you enter the competition in?
I entered as a senior instrumentalist because of my age, right? And I did 4 categories. So I did open category, contemporary, jazz, and original. As for the original, I have to say thank you so much to Alex Blanken Martin. I mean, it was so last minute when I'd gone to him to make the track for me. In that time, I was sick. I wasn't feeling well. I had the flu. And while having the flu, I was like, oh gosh, I need to get that original piece out the way because the director wants to hear it and he was asking me for videos and I can't give him any videos because me not feel well and it just wasn't working out. And while on my sick bed, something came to mind and I started humming till I draw for the phone.
And it just went all the way.
And just hum it away. And say, all right, I only need it for 1 minute because I only have 1 minute to perform. So I said, I only need it for 1 minute. So it was really more than a minute, but at least when the time come when I'd recover, I was able to put things and put everything together. And I'd left from Kingston to St. Anne that day. When I was coming back to Kingston, one piece of rain.
Oh my goodness. Listen, we're going to give you more than a minute to perform because Andrene is going to deliver for us an excerpt of her winning piece. Here she's on sax playing Prince's Purple Rain.
Let's go ahead and call back Grayton, our former 2023 senior grand champion. Please come center stage with that prestigious grand champion title award. He's coming in from around the side. You got deja vu? Ladies and gentlemen, our 2024 Senior Grand Champion Performer of the World, Andrene Brown from Jamaica.